hydrated isomerism or solvate isomerism. Solvate isomerism. So hydrated isomerism is also known as a solvate isomerism. So what is the definition for this? Let's see. The complexes having same molecular formula. Molecular formula is same but different water molecules present in coordination sphere. Different water molecules present in coordination sphere. Such isomers are called hydrated isomers, and the phenomenon is known as hydrated isomerism. Okay. So this is one special kind of. It is just like ionization isomerism. It is just like ionization isomerism. Okay, so here what happens now? Ionization isomerism means some ligands are exchanged from coordination sphere to ionization sphere. So in these compounds, water molecules means here water H2O. Ligands are exchanged from coordination sphere to anionic sphere. See here water molecules are exchanging. So in coordination sphere only water molecules are exchanging, and anionic sphere some negative ligands are exchanged from anionic sphere to coordination sphere. So that kind of isomerism is called hydrated isomerism or solvate isomerism. For example, let's see Cr H2O 6 times Cl3. H2O 6 times Cl3 means chromium plus 3, comma Cr H2O 5 times Cl. Then one water molecule is exchanged from coordination sphere to anionic sphere, and one chlorine atom is exchanged from anionic sphere to coordination sphere. Reverse is not possible. Only water molecules are exchanged from coordination sphere to anionic sphere. Then that kind of isomerism is called hydrated isomerism. Comma 4 times Cl2 2H2O Cl, and See, this kind of isomerism is called hydrated isomerism. So how many hydrated isomers are present? Cr 6H2O Cl3 has 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrated isomers. So how many hydrated isomers are present, ma? 4 hydrated isomers are present. Cr, in the 6 water molecules are present in coordination sphere. In the second one, 5 water molecules are present, and third one, 4 water molecules are present, and fourth one 3 water molecules are present. So but total coordination number is 6. Total coordination number is 6. So for example, one water molecule is exchanged, then one chlorine atom is coming to the coordination sphere. Two water molecules are exchanged, in that place two chlorine atoms are coming to the coordination sphere, like 3. So total coordination number should be equal to 6. Must should be equal to 6. Okay, octahedral complexes. Then we are getting 4 hydrated isomers. Cr6H2O Cl3 compound has 4 hydrated isomers. Compound has 4 hydrated isomers. What are the different types of 4 hydrated isomers? So in the first complex I used coordination number 6. 6 water molecules I used. In the second 5, third 4, and the fourth one is 3 water molecules are present. So hydrated isomerism means the complexes which are having same molecular formula but different number of water molecules or different number of aqueous ligands or water molecules are present in coordination sphere. This is one kind of one special condition for just like ionization isomerism only. So in this complexes what happens now, the water molecules are exchanged. The water molecules are transferred from coordination sphere to anionic sphere, and the anionic sphere containing ions are going to the coordination sphere. So this is known as a hydrated or solvated isomerism. Okay, let's see next one. Coordination isomerism. The next one is coordination isomerism. Let's see. Coordination isomerism. What is coordination isomerism? Coordination isomerism means different complex compounds you have to take. For example, different kind of complex compounds. Cobalt and chromium. CN6. See, different types of coordination spheres are present. Now, here it is neutral molecules, here it is a negative ligands are present. Neutral ligands and negative ligands containing different complex compounds. In that complex compounds, mutual exchange of ligands, then we are getting CO, Cn 6 times and Cr NH3 6 times. Then we are getting another structure or another complex compound. So in that complex compound, the ligands are exchanged between the two coordination spheres. So the complex compounds having same molecular formula, and mutual exchange of ligands between two different metal atoms containing complex compounds. containing complex compounds. Then we are getting coordination isomerism. So the resultant compounds are having same molecular formula. This is one complex compound. Here the central metal atom is cobalt, and here the central metal atom is chromium. So different central metal atoms containing two complex compounds in which mutual exchange of ligands taking place. Then we are getting another different complex compound structure, complex compound formula. But and this total molecular formula is same, but cobalt here bonded with ammonia ligands, but here cobalt is bonded with the cyanide ion ligands, and chromium is bonded with cyanide ligands, and chromium here bonded with the ammonia ligands. Mutual exchange of ligands between the two coordination spheres containing different central metal atoms, known as coordination isomerism. Okay, ma'am. It is also very important. Among the already I said last class only what type of questions are coming from this structural isomerism. They will give options. They will ask among the following which is ambidextrant ligands, ambidextrant isomerism or linkage isomerism. So the linkage isomerism is also known as ambidextrant isomerism because the linkage isomerism is due to the presence of ambidextrant ligands only. Ionization isomerism and hydrated isomerism. Hydrated isomerism means what we need to check: water molecules, different water molecules containing complex compounds. Different water molecules present in the coordination sphere containing complex compounds we need to check. Then that isomerism belongs to hydrated isomerism. And different ligands are exchanged between the two coordination spheres containing the different central metal atoms. Then we are getting coordination isomerism. So that observation is very, very important for board examination. Ionization isomerism and linkage isomerism, both are very, very important. Let's see next, stereoisomerism. In stereoisomerism also, especially for board examination, they will give one example, one complex compound formula they will give and ask write two geometrical isomers, write the cis and trans form of geometrical isomers, write the D and L isomers of optically active compounds. Like that they are asking mostly 100% for board examination. They are asking cis and trans geometrical isomer structures only they are asking. And but objective examination they will give one complex formula and shows how many number of stereoisomers, how many number of geometrical isomers, how many number of optical isomers. That kind of question they are asking. Among the following, which exhibits geometrical isomerism, which does not exhibit geometrical isomerism, which exhibits optical isomerism, which does not exhibit optical isomerism. That kind of question they are asking. So we need to remember, we have to remember the general formula of complexes compounds. Okay, see stereoisomerism. What is stereoisomerism? Stereoisomerism is also nothing but spatial isomerism. Means complexes having same molecular formula, but different spatial arrangement of ligands. Around the central metal atom. Around the central metal atom, known as stereoisomerism. So the stereoisomerism, already I said it is two types. One is geometrical isomerism, second one is optical isomerism. Let's see, the first one is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. What is geometrical isomerism? Geometrical isomerism means different spatial arrangements of ligands around the central metal atom, in which the same kind of ligands are in the same side, then it is called cis geometrical isomerism. If they are in the opposite side, it is called a trans geometrical isomerism. So the geometrical isomerism is mainly either geometrical isomerism or optical isomerism is mainly possible in heteroleptic complex compounds. Heteroleptic complex compounds. See, geometrical isomerism, it is two types. It is two types. Geometrical isomerism is two types. So the first one is cis geometrical isomer. Cis geometrical isomer. And the second one is trans geometrical isomer. What is cis geometrical isomer? Cis geometrical isomer means in heteroleptic complex, same kind of ligands, present on same side, around the central metal atom, known as cis geometrical isomer. So same kind of ligands present around the central metal atom is known as a cis geometrical isomers. If they are present in opposite side, or in opposite direction, around the central metal atom, known as trans geometrical isomerism. See, generally this geometrical isomerism is possible with coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. Coordination number 4 means two types of structures are present. One is tetrahedral geometry, second one is square planar geometry. Let's see this coordination number CONO means coordination number 4. Coordination number 4 with tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes does not show geometrical isomerism. Tetrahedral complexes does not show geometrical isomerism. That point is very, very important, man. So, but what type of complexes shows geometrical isomerism with coordination number 4? See, coordination number 4 with square planar complexes shows geometrical isomerism. Coordination number 4 with square planar complex. All types of square planar complexes does not show. So in that also what kind of ligands are must? That also we will discuss. So that is heteroleptic complex compounds. Coordination number 4 with heteroleptic complex compounds shows geometrical isomerism. The geometrical isomers are two types. One is cis geometrical isomer. Second one is trans geometrical isomer. Cis and trans. Let's see. I'll give one small table form. Coordination number 4, tetrahedral. Not possible. They does not exhibit geometrical isomerism. Coordination number 4, square planar. Coordination number 4, square planar. Some are possible, not possible. Not possible and possible. See, the central metal atom having same kind of ligands, Ma4 plus or minus 10. They have charges. Then it does not exhibit geometrical isomerism. Ma4. The second one is Ma4 does not exhibit geometrical isomerism, and Ma3b also does not exhibit geometrical isomerism. See, but what kind of complexes are possible if they have monodentate ligands? If monodentate ligands are present, then Ma2b2, it is possible. Ma2b2 shows one cis and one trans geometrical isomers, and second one is MABCD. So 4 different types of ligands are present. Then also it shows geometrical isomerism. In square planar complexes, it has 3 isomers are present. Out of the 3, 2 are cis plus 1 trans form is present. It is very important, ma'am. So MABCD with square planar complex compound shows how many number of geometrical isomers. 3 geometrical isomers are possible. Out of the 3, 2 are cis, 1 is trans. Next, in bidentate ligands. Bidentate ligands are present. In that bidentate ligands, bidentate ligands means 2 donor atoms must should be required. So that donor atoms must should be heteroleptic. Heteroleptic means CEN. Ethylene diamine means 2 donor atoms are same. It is not possible. See, AA twice. It is not possible because the bidentate ligands we are represented by capital letters. Monodentate ligands we are represented by small letters. Then AA twice it is not possible. But MAB means glycinato, GLY. In that glycinato bidentate ligand, one donor atom is nitrogen, another donor atom is oxygen. So then it is possible. MAB twice. So these are C with coordination number 4 square planar complexes A2B2, ABCD and MAB twice. Different donor atoms containing bidentate ligand. How many are required? 2 are required. 2 are present means its coordination number is 4. So this kind of general formulas containing complex compounds exhibits geometrical isomerism. So that geometrical isomerism, A2B2 has 2 geometrical isomers are present. This also AB twice also 2 geometrical isomers are present. One is cis form, another one is trans form. But MABCD 4 different kind of ligands are present. It has total 3 geometrical isomers are present. Out of that, one is trans and 2 are cis forms. Let's see examples. Let's see examples. What I said, first one is MA2B2. MA2B2 model. See platinum. is central metal atom. So two kind of two monodentate ligands are same. Another two monodentate ligands are same. See NH3 twice Cl2. Their charge is 0. Means it is a neutral complex compound. Now you have to arrange the two cis and trans forms. Platinum. So in exam, like this structure will give, we need to draw the cis and trans form of the given complex compound in board examination. But in objective examination, they will give different kind of structures among the following, which exhibits geometrical isomerism, which does not exhibit number of geometrical isomers or number of stereoisomers. That kind of question they will ask. Platinum. So how to write cis form? Same kind of ligands are around the central metal atom on the same side. Around the central metal atom on the same side means, see this left side 2 NH3 molecules. I written. And right side chlorine and chlorine. Same kind of ligands are present. Just use square bracket. Now it is cis form. Already I said earlier only we have discussed cis platinum complex compounds. Means diamino dichloro cis platinum 2 compound is we are using for treatment of cancer. In cancer treatment we are using this. So especially the cis isomer only acts as a drug, but not trans isomer or trans compound. That's why this isomers, what is the importance of these isomers? Some of the isomers, particular one isomer acts as a drug. Another isomer is not active for drug. That's why isomers are very, very important. So this is cis isomer and trans isomer. Do you want means what I have to do? This ammonia, same kind of ligands should be in opposite to hydrogen. Then enough. NH3, NH3. Trans is not a cancer drug. Only cis isomer is cancer drug. This is a trans form. Okay, I gave this kind of example. Next one, this model, do you want example? Let's see. I will draw that also. Actually, mostly they are asking in board examination this only, this not. But objective examination, this kind of model, they are given means how many number of geometrical isomers are present? 3 are present. Out of that, 2 cis forms, another one is trans form. For example, PT, NH3, pyridine, chlorine, water molecule. Right? 4 different ligands are present. See, ammonia is neutral and pyridine also neutral ligand, and chlorine is mononegative, water is neutral ligand. Actually, how much possible that oxidation state or oxidation number of central metal +1. But platinum mostly shows either in +2 oxidation state or +4. That's why here I am keeping on the ligand plus charge on the coordination sphere. Means it is a positive complex compound. Let's see 3 isomers I said. Out of the 3 isomers means 4 numbers I said. 4 numbers. See, you only think about your 4 friends. Out of that 1 friend you have to, his position you have to fix. The remaining 3 members you have to arrange around the central metal atom. Then how many possibilities will get? 3 possibilities will get. Then out of the 2 are cis we are considering, 1 is trans. See, with respect to pyridine, pyridine is nitrogen donor atom. With respect to pyridine, I am taking pyridine as a fixed. Remaining chlorine, NH3 and water molecule I just written. Now you have to exchange, then you will get different structures. Pyridine position don't you change. Pyridine. Next you have to exchange this chlorine here and ammonia and water molecule. Next, platinum pyridine. Now you have to exchange this water molecule and the chlorine atoms H2O and Cl. Now with respect to, see, you have to check with respect to platinum is fixed. Platinum is fixed with respect to chlorine atom. You have to check with respect to chlorine. Here chlorine is on side by side, means same side of the pyridine, and here also chlorine is in the same side, means it is cis. So this is a cis form and this is also cis form. But here chlorine becomes a trans. So otherwise, instead of ammonia, you have to check with respect to ammonia. Do you want to check that how many with respect to ammonia? Pyridine is fixed. One position is fixed with respect to ammonia. How many cis forms and how many trans forms we are getting? M, A, B, C, D type of complex compound. With respect to ammonia, pyridine and ammonia are both are in the same side, and here pyridine and ammonia both are in the same side. Means it is also cis, and another. Then we will get means ammonia portion we are changing. Then that ammonia must should be here oppositely we need to write. Then we will get transform. Then we will get a transform. So here I written that these structures with respect to chlorine, cis and trans. Like so, M, A, B, C, D complex has total 3 isomers are present. Out of the 3 isomers, 2 are cis form, another 2 are trans form, another 2 are trans form. Okay. This is about geometrical isomerism in coordination number 4. Let's see geometrical isomerism in coordination number 6. Coordination number 6 means octahedral complexes. Octahedral complex. Monodentate ligands. Bidentate ligands. In monodentate ligands, not possible and possible. See, MA6, all 6 ligands are same kind of, then it does not exhibit geometrical isomerism. MA5B, 5 are even in the same also, then it does not exhibit. Now let's see, MA4 means 4 are same, MA4 B2. It exhibits geometrical isomerism. M A4 BC also exhibits geometrical isomerism. They shows cis and trans geometrical isomers. Next, M A3 means 3 are same. M A3 B3. Next, M A2 B2 C2. So 2 are same and 2. Total 6. Then they exhibit geometrical isomerism. And one more is all are different. M A B C D E F. Then this kind of complexes also exhibits geometrical isomerism. Total 15 geometrical isomers are present now. 15. Out of that 15, 12 are cis forms plus 3 are trans. It is important to remember. Out of 15 geometrical isomers, so how many are cis? 12 are cis. Remaining 3 are trans. Remaining 3 are trans. In bidentate ligands, let's see. MAA thrice. It is not possible to exhibit geometrical isomerism. Let's see possible. M AA twice B2. M A twice BC. M AA B2 C2. Capital A written means it is a bidentate ligand. M AB. It is a bidentate ligand for different donor atoms A and B, like glycinate thrice. It exhibits a geometrical isomerism. So it has one cis form and one trans form. One cis, one trans, one cis, one trans, one cis, one trans. But MAA thrice. So two donor atoms are same, like three ligands are present. Bidentate does not exhibit. Let's see examples. The first one, M A4 B2. MA4 B2 means cobalt NH3 4 times Cl2 plus. It exhibits cis and trans geometrical isomerism. Let's see. Cobalt is the central metal atom. Two chlorine atoms are in the same side and 4 ammonia atoms are in the same side. Then it is cis form. Let's see trans. CO, 2 chlorine atoms are in the opposite. And automatically NH3 ligands becomes opposite direction. It is transform. So A4 B2 model, I gave one small example. At the same time, mostly this also they are asking in exam MA3 B3. MA3 B3 model, let's see. The second example, MA3B3 means CONH3 thrice Cl3. CONH3 thrice Cl3 is example. It shows cis and trans geometrical isomerism.